Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Ah. So hope you guys enjoyed my last video. So in today's video we're gonna do a little bit different. So I already have my full face makeup on, and I'm just going to talk about one of the new products I came across, and it's a drugstore brand, and it's so affordable. Like it's like when I say affordable, it's even less than $5. That's how much affordable it is. So, and I'm literally in love with this product. So today I'm talking to you guys about the Essence lip glosses. These are Essence Plumping Nude Lip Gloss. There are 4 shades here. They come in 4 different shades. Okay, let's just talk about a few things first about this product, then I'll go through the swatches with you. All the glosses on its own, and all the glosses on top of different lipsticks. So to talk about the quality, I have to say, for a brand which is drugstore, these lip glosses are much better than some higher end lip glosses, and they are only $2.99 each. So, and I have tried Fenty Beauty, I have tried Winky Lux, I have tried a lot of expensive brand which do lip glosses, Marc Jacobs, but I have to say right now these are beating every single higher end brand. This is how much impressed I am by these plumping lips. Oh my god, they are so glossy, but they don't stick. Your lips doesn't stick to each other. They don't have that tacky lip glossy feeling. When you wear it, it literally makes your lips look so luscious, so beautiful, so plumpy. Amazing. It doesn't have, I've tried a lot of other plumping lip glosses, like the one from Hard Candy. When you apply it, you literally feel that coolness and then tingly feeling on your lips. This doesn't do that, but it still makes your lips looks absolutely luscious. Oh my god, if you are into glosses and you love wearing glosses on its own and not just as a topper on your lipstick or a liquid lipstick, you're gonna love this. Absolutely gonna love this. So let's do the swatches first. So I'm just going to show you all of them. So this first one I'm doing is called She Is So Extra, and it's number 03. Okay, so this is, okay, wait. This one is She Is So Extra. So, and this shade, I will say it is a more of a pink tone with the more of like nude brown undertones. It's still a nice nude lip, but oh, it's lovely. The next one is 02, and it's called Big Softy. This is my favorite right now. I've been wearing this almost on top of every single lipstick. So this one is 02 Softy. Is probably the best way. Okay, the next one is That's Big, and that's number 04. Don't worry, I'll show you the swatches. So this one is more of a dusky pink, so it's not as vibrant as other one. This is the one. Still has a really nice nude finish. It has really nice like pink undertone as well. That's what I really liked about it. It's absolutely stunning. And the last one is XXL Charm. So extra large charm. And number is 01, and this is just kind of like a nude sheen. So this is the last one. So as you can see, it's just totally nude. So these are all the swatches. As you can see on my arm, how glossy, how pigmented it is. For a drugstore brand, these are so pigmented. It's just unbelievable. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys now how they look on the lips on its own, and on if I just use it with the lipsticks or a lip liner. So I'm gonna go with O2 Big Softy first, so you can see. Just love the fact how nicely this glide on your lips. It looks so beautiful, and I'm applying this without any lip liner, so you can see how easy it is and how it's gonna look without the lip liner. So this one is O2 Big Softy. So number O2 Big Softy. Like, look how nice and lush it's making my lips look. It's so stunning shade. It's absolutely gorgeous shade for people who like to wear a lot of like nudes tones of lipsticks, and then they just want to put like a little topper. This would be absolutely stunning. Absolutely in love with this color right now. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one off so I can do the next one for you. Okay, now I'm going to do She Is So Extra, and this one, as I told you, is more of a pink. I don't think so you even need to put any other lipstick underneath. You can definitely use them as a topper or apply on its own, because it's so beautiful and really highly pigmented. See how beautiful it's looking? Oh my god. Literally in love. So this one is She Is So Extra. So beautiful. I will definitely show you, if not each and every single one, I will definitely show you one of them, how nice and versatile this product is, how you can use it as a topper or on its own. Okay, we're gonna do the next one, and this one is called That's Big. Again, a really nice, really beautiful pink tone. I like the fact you can really play around with the coverage. Like if you want a really like light coverage, you can definitely do it, and you can increase the coverage if you like more. So this is just like one layer. and this is 2 layers. And as I said, this one is called That's Big. So beautiful. I'm just loving, not only loving, I'm literally obsessed over these lip glosses. Okay, and last but not the least, okay, the last one is called XXL Charm, and this is gonna be literally a very nude, literally a see-through kind of thing. So this could be a really good one for your no makeup days, when you just want a little bit of a glossy finish on your lips, where you don't want to put too many colors or anything. I really would like to use this color as more of a topper than wearing it on its own. Okay. Okay, and this one is XXL Charm. Really beautiful nude, absolutely see-through, no opacity whatsoever. Is so beautiful shade. This would be really nice if you just like do a nice lip scrub on your lips. Your lips are looking nice and plumpy and pinkish, and you just want a little bit of a touch of a gloss. This could be a really good product and really good color. So now I'm just going to show you my favorite combo, what I'm doing right now, and it's working so well with every single look I do. It's just amazing. It's just like, for me, when I sit down and nowadays when I do my makeup, I just think first how I can use this lip combo with the rest of my makeup. But it seems to work with every single eye look I do. So I'm going to show you what is my favorite lip gloss shade, and or what is my favorite combo in this whole thing. So I'm going to take this one off. Gonna go over my Strands Art Beauty Sponge to just kind of give my lips a bit of a base. And my favorite combo right now is MAC Cosmetics Strip Down Lip Liner with Big Softy shade of lip gloss. So what I'm doing right now is just, or lately, I'm just going to line my lips with Strip Down, but I'm also going to fill the corner of my lips and just a little bit inside of my lips as well. Like basically going to contour my lips. So just going to do that now. And I'm also going to fill the corners. A little bit in the middle. Now I'm just gonna go straight with Big Softy and just fill this all over my lips. And voila! So this is my favorite combo right now. I've been doing this combo from past like a week or two, so if you have noticed me wearing something similar every single time, this is the combo I'm doing, and it's so beautiful. Like, I am so obsessed over this color. Like, I don't even want to run out of it. I already got like 3-4 of same shade, like backup of a backup of a backup as well. So this is how much I'm in love with this shade. This is so beautiful, so versatile shade. It goes with every single eye look you do. It's absolutely amazing nude. So I will highly recommend you to go check out your local Shoppers or Superstore or wherever you can, or wherever you can find an Essence booth, and check these ones out, and I can assure you, you won't be disappointed with this product. This is how good this is. You really need this in your makeup kit, or even if you're just not a makeup artist or just a makeup lover, you really need this in your collection, because these are so good and so affordable. Really highly recommend this. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you find this review helpful. Hope you will try this product, because it is really, no, if you don't try it, you're gonna miss out. So I hope you will really enjoy this, or as much as I am enjoying it. And if you do use it, don't forget to hashtag me on Instagram to show me your looks, or how you're using it, or what's your favorite combo in the whole collection. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all, take care, and before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you will get a notification. And also, once again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and staying with the family. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.